Tattoo artist charged with rape of 12-year-old girl in Maypen, Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 31-year-old Romaine Russell, a tattoo artist of O'Shane's Store, Clarendon, and Trinity District, Porous, Manchester, has been charged with rape following an incident in Maypen, Clarendon on Monday, September 24th. Reports from detectives attached to the Maypen Criminal Investigation Branch of CIB are that at around 4:30 p.m., a 12-year-old student was on her way home from school when she met Russell, who identified himself to her. He proceeded to have conversation with the girl and shortly after lured the girl to his tattoo shop in Maypen, Clarendon. There, he reportedly had sexual intercourse with her against her will. Russell also allegedly threatened the child before allowing her to leave the shop. She went home and made a complaint to her mother, who took her to the police station and made a formal report. The lawmen visited the area where the girl was taken and Russell was found. He was arrested and subsequently charged based on the complainant's statement. A court date is to be finalized for him. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.